So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for this video, I'm going to show you how to install Windows Server 2000 to the VirtualBox machine. So first you need to have a ISO for Windows Server 2000 and to have a VirtualBox machine. So first create a new virtual machine file and name it with Windows Server 2000 or 2000 and select the folder or select the ISO image for Windows 2000. Just add it into the file of ISO, then start. Press enter, F8, enter, and just wait until it finishes formatting the storage. Then just wait until it finishes the installation. Then it will require you to input a product key. And after you inputted the product key, just click next. And make sure the product key is correct. So after that, you will set up your computer name, and set up your admin password, and then the time, the language, and wait until it finishes installing. These networking settings, choose custom, next, next, and then just wait. Yes, next, next, username and the password, and there you go. We've successfully installed the Windows 2000 to the VirtualBox machine.